Do you feel like your money is slipping through your fingers every month? What if I told you there's a simple way to take control of your finances and actually stick to a budget? Keep watching, because today I'm going to show you how to create a budget that works for you. Hey there, welcome to USA Wealth Tips, your guide to smarter money management. If you're tired of feeling stressed about money or want to start saving more, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a practical and effective budget that you'll actually stick to. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to know how much money is coming into your pocket every month. This is your net income, what you take home after taxes. If you're salaried, this is straightforward. But if you're self-employed or have multiple income streams, make sure to track all sources of income. Understanding your income is crucial before you set your budget. Without this, you can't make an accurate plan. Next, you need to track your spending. List all of your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Then look at your variable expenses like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Don't forget those small, often overlooked costs like coffee runs or streaming services. Knowing where every penny goes is vital to creating a budget that works. If you don't track, you won't know what needs to change. Once you know your income and expenses, it's time to set goals. For example, you might want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund. Your goals will guide how you allocate your budget. Prioritize your goals based on what's most important to you right now. Don't just say, I want to save money. Be specific. I want to save $500 this month for my emergency fund. This makes your goal clearer and more achievable. Now it's time to break down your budget. The 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries, 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, and 20% for savings, emergency fund, retirement savings. This is a flexible system. You can adjust the percentages depending on your goals, but the point is to make sure that you're saving and not spending more than you earn. Now that you've created your budget, it's important to track your spending regularly. At the end of the month, check if you stayed within your budget. If you spent more than you planned in one category, you may need to adjust the following month. Budgets are living documents. They need constant adjustments. If you overspend one month, make a plan to adjust the next month so you stay on track. One of the most important parts of any budget is building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical bills. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, start building that fund now. This will protect you from financial stress in case something unexpected happens. Your budget isn't set in stone. It should be flexible. If you get a raise or an unexpected expense comes up, adjust your budget to reflect those changes. Remember, the goal is to keep your spending aligned with your financial goals. If something changes in your life, your budget needs to change with it. A successful budget is one that adapts as needed. And there you have it. By understanding your income, tracking your expenses, and setting realistic goals, you can create a budget that works and actually helps you take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and building wealth. Also, comment below with any budgeting questions or tips you have. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching USA Wealth Tips. Stay on track with your budget, and remember, your money can work for you if you manage it wisely. See you in the next video. 1. Know your income. Always be clear on how much you're earning. 2. Track your expenses. Every penny counts when building a budget. 3. Set specific financial goals. Focus on what matters most. 4. Create budget categories. Use the 50/30/20 rule or customize your own. 5. Track, adjust, and stick to it. Monitor and tweak your budget regularly. 6. Build an emergency fund. Start saving for unexpected events. 7. Stay flexible. Adapt your budget as life changes.